Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Dyson filter is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the optimal performance of your Dyson CoolLink air purifier, ensuring that the air you breathe is consistently clean and free from allergens, pollutants, and harmful particles that can affect your health and well-being. This filter plays a crucial role in trapping microscopic irritants, making it a vital investment for any household seeking a healthier living environment. Number 5. Colorfullife Replacement Filter for Dyson TP01 TP02 TP03. Introducing the Colorfullife Replacement Filter, designed to keep your air pure and fresh. It's the perfect fit for your compatible Dyson Tower Purifier. Experience a 3-stage filtration system that captures fine particles, allergens, and odors. This advanced filter ensures cleaner air in your home. Specifically engineered to replace part number 968126-03 for your Dyson Pure CoolLink TP01, TP02, and TP03 models. Please verify compatibility before purchase. Crafted with FSC certified paper and a 3-in-1 high-efficiency design, it's built for lasting performance. Enjoy cleaner air with peace of mind. This package includes 2 filters and a cleaning brush, providing excellent value. Keep your air purifier running optimally with this convenient set. We're here to help. If you have any questions about your replacement filter, don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to providing excellent service. What we like. This filter offers a comprehensive 3-stage filtration system, capturing both particles and odors. It's made with FSC certified paper for environmental consciousness and even comes with a cleaning brush. If you're looking for a complete package that tackles air quality and includes a helpful accessory, this is a great choice. What people say. This Dyson Pure Cool Me filter was super simple to replace. Here's exactly how I did it. Open the top dome of the unit, drop in the new filter, just slides right in, press the button on the back of the unit and hold for 5 seconds, then press and hold the remote's on-off button for about 10 seconds. You'll see the filter graphic pop up on the screen. Voila, done. Filters fit my Dyson TP02 perfectly. Definitely made a difference after replacing a dirty filter after a few years. It runs quieter and moves more air at lower speeds. Purchased several times for our Dyson fan. The quality is great and lasts just as long as the Dyson ones. Replacement value is top-notch. Fit was perfect and according to my Dyson app keeps the air quality at a good if not great rating. Number 4. TP01 HEPA Replacement Filter 2-pack. Ensure your air purifier is always running at its best. This filter is designed to be compatible with several Dyson Tower Purifier models, including TP01, TP02, TP03, AM11, and BP01. It directly replaces part number 968126-03, ensuring a perfect fit. Before you order, please double-check your air purifier's model number. This filter is specifically for the models mentioned and is not compatible with TP4B, TP07, HP02, DP01, and others. You can find the model number on the label or the back of your machine. Breathe easier with our true HEPA filter. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, creating a cleaner and fresher environment for your family. It's especially beneficial for pet owners and households with new mothers. Beyond dust, this filter tackles odors and fumes effectively. The activated carbon layer traps common household smells like smoke and cooking odors, as well as VOCs, leaving your air smelling fresh. Replacing your old filter is a breeze. It's designed for easy installation and disposal. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing it every 6 to 12 months, or as needed based on usage. After installation, resetting the filter indicator is simple. Just press and hold the standby on-off button for 6 seconds on your remote control. Even seniors can do this easily. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with the filter fitting your air purifier, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help ensure you have a great experience. What we like. This filter is designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles, making it ideal for pet owners and new parents seeking cleaner air. It also features an easy-to-follow guide for resetting your filter indicator. If you prioritize maximum particle removal and user-friendly maintenance, this option is perfect for your needs. What people say. These are a perfect replacement filter for my Dyson air purifier. They work just as good as the Dyson ones but are not as expensive. Fit perfectly in my Dyson. Easy to replace. Feel as if the air is cleaner immediately. These replacement HEPA filters for my Dyson TP01 have been a game changer. Performance is comparable to the genuine Dyson filters, my air quality has noticeably improved since installation, and my allergies have subsided. The filters fit perfectly in my Pure Cool Link tower with no issues or error codes. Number 3. Colorfullife Replacement Filter for Dyson HP00 Series. Keep your air pure with this 2-pack of replacement filters. Designed for optimal performance, they ensure your purifier runs efficiently. These filters are compatible with various Dyson desk air purifiers, including HP00, HP01, HP02, and HP03 models. They also fit DP01 and DP02 desk purifiers. Enjoy clean air with these filters, designed to work seamlessly with your Dyson Pure Cool Link and Pure Hot Plus Cool Link desk purifiers. A great alternative to the original part number 968125-03, these filters offer the same quality and performance you expect. Crafted from FSC certified paper, these filters are made with sustainability in mind. They effectively capture pollutants for cleaner air. Easily replace your old filters with these new ones. They are designed for a perfect fit, ensuring hassle-free installation and immediate use. What we like. This replacement filter is specifically designed for Dyson desk purifiers, offering a cost-effective 2-pack solution. It also utilizes FSC certified paper, aligning with eco-friendly practices. If you own a Dyson desk purifier and are looking for a reliable, environmentally conscious replacement, this is the filter for you. What people say. The Dyson Cool Link Air Purifier filter is a great addition to any home, effectively removing allergens and pollutants from the air. Its sleek and modern design complements any decor, while its quiet operation ensures it won't disturb your peace. The filter is easy to install and replace, making maintenance a breeze. Number 2. Colorfullife TP01 Replacement Filter for Dyson. Ensure your Dyson Tower Pure Cool Link models TP01, TP02, and TP03 are running efficiently with our specially designed replacement filters. They are made to fit seamlessly, providing optimal air purification. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It includes a fine pre-filter, an H13 True HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter to capture particles and neutralize odors. Our filters are manufactured with quality and the environment in mind, using FSC certified paper. They are designed to replace part numbers 968126-03 and 970342-01 for a reliable performance. This package includes 2 replacement filters, offering great value and ensuring you have a spare on hand. Keep your living spaces fresh and healthy with this convenient pack. These filters are compatible with various Dyson models including AM11, BP01, TP01, TP02, and TP03. Please verify your model and filter size before purchasing to ensure the perfect fit. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions or concerns about your replacement filter, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like. Featuring a 3-stage filtration system, this filter effectively reduces airborne particles and tackles unwanted odors. It's constructed with FSC certified paper, emphasizing sustainability. If you're seeking a filter that provides thorough air purification and odor control while being mindful of the environment, this is an excellent selection. What people say. They work just as well and last just as long as the name brand Dyson filters for a fraction of the price. These replacement filters for our Dyson TP04 are a perfect fit. They work well with the machine. They are an exact match for the OEM filters. The machine functions perfectly with them. Easy to install and last a long time. Great value. Number 1. Laukowind TP02 Replacement Air Purifier Filters, 2-pack. Ensure optimal performance with these replacement filters designed to seamlessly fit your Dyson Pure Cool Link Tower Purifier. They are compatible with TP01, TP02, TP03, BP01, and AM11 models. Experience cleaner air with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It includes a true HEPA filter, a fine preliminary filter, and a high-efficiency filter to capture particles effectively. Breathe easier by removing common household odors. These filters are designed to absorb smells from cooking, pets, and more, leaving your home smelling fresh. Replacing your old filter is simple and straightforward. This set includes 2 filters, offering great value and ensuring you always have a replacement ready. Feel good about your purchase. These filters are made with forest-friendly, FSC-certified paper, making them an environmentally conscious choice for your home. What we like. This filter is specifically designed for Dyson tower purifiers and excels at physically absorbing household odors like cooking and pet smells. It's made from forest-friendly, FSC-certified paper. If you have a Dyson tower purifier and are particularly concerned about eliminating common household odors, this filter is a highly suitable choice. What people say. These filters are a perfect fit for my Dyson HP01. Super easy to replace. Works just like the original filters. These filters are just as good as OEM filters, they work 100%. I have purchased these several times and never had any issues with them at 1/2 the price. The Laukowind replacement TP02 filters are a great value alternative to the Dyson originals. Performance-wise, they're just as effective at capturing dust and odors, and they fit perfectly in the Pure Cool Link units. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.